Welcome to our camping guide, Voyagers. Here we'll share essential tips for a memorable outdoor experience. Camping allows us to disconnect from our daily routines and immerse ourselves in nature's beauty. So, let's get started. First, we will need to choose the right campsite. Research various campgrounds and consider factors like location, amenities, and activities available. Look for a campsite that suits your preferences, whether you want a remote wilderness experience or a family-friendly campground with facilities. Next, plan your camping gear carefully. Make a checklist to ensure you have all the essentials, like a tent, sleeping bag, camping stove, and cooking utensils. Don't forget to pack weather-appropriate clothing, a first aid kit, and insect repellent to stay comfortable during your stay. We don't want to be getting attacked by mosquitoes for days. When setting up your campsite, pick a level and dry spot to pitch your tent. Check for any hazards or potential dangers like overhanging branches or rocky ground. Remember to follow leave no trace principles to minimize your impact on the environment. This means to leave the campsite as you found it. To build a cozy campfire, gather dry wood and kindling. Create a fire ring and ensure it's a safe distance away from your tent. Make sure to follow fire safety guidelines and always extinguish the fire completely before leaving the campsite or going to sleep. One of the best parts of camping is cooking and enjoying meals in nature. Plan simple and delicious camping meals that are easy to prepare. Foil packet recipes are great options and require minimal cleanup. Remember to store food properly to avoid attracting wildlife. If you're camping in bear country, use bear-resistant food storage containers. Exploring the wilderness is a thrilling part of camping. Familiarize yourself with the area and stay on marked trails to preserve the ecosystem. Be cautious of wildlife and give them space. To fully enjoy your outdoor experience, disconnect from your devices and embrace nature. Take the time to stargaze, listen to the sounds of the forest, and appreciate the serenity of being away from city life. Ensure you leave the campsite cleaner than you found it. Respect nature and wildlife by not feeding or approaching animals. Before you head out, double-check that you've packed all your gear and leave nothing behind. Thank you for joining us on this camping guide. We hope these tips help you create lasting memories during your outdoor adventure. Happy camping! Remember to like and subscribe for more traveling content.